Encountering an aggressive dog can be terrifying. Follow these steps to protect yourself. Step 1. Stay calm. Do not scream or run. Freeze, stay silent, and slowly retreat. Step 2. Appear larger. Make yourself look bigger to intimidate the dog. Raise your arms or spread a jacket. Step 3. Avoid eye contact. Never stare directly at the dog. This can provoke aggression. Turn sideways and glance from the corner of your eye. Step 4. Use barriers. Place any object, a bag, bike, or stick, between you and the dog. Step 5. Command firmly. Use a loud, firm voice to confuse or startle the dog. Shout, "Go away." Step 6. Protect vital areas. If attacked, shield your face, neck, and chest. Stay still if knocked down. Step 7. Never run. Running activates the dog's chase instinct. Back away slowly instead. Step 8. Responding to a bite. If bitten, don't pull away. Push toward the dog to force release. Step 9. Post-attack actions. Seek medical help immediately, even for minor injuries. Report the incident. Step 10. Prevention tips. Carry deterrents like pepper spray. Learn to read warning signs like raised fur or growling. Stay alert. Stay safe. Share this knowledge. It could save a life. Subscribe for more safety tips.